how much should you actually spend on a robot vacuum cleaner? Because people are happy buying the cheap ones, but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting.
Product number 1. Ropvacnic S1. The Ropvacnic robot vacuum cleaner caught my attention with its impressive 5200 PA suction power for just $89.97. If you want a solid vacuum that does both mopping and vacuuming without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. This robot vacuum stands out because of its 2-in-1 functionality. The adjustable mopping feature lets you customize the water flow for varying stains, which is crucial if you have kids or pets. Plus, with intelligent auto docking and advanced obstacle avoidance, it navigates your space effectively, so you don't have to worry about it getting stuck. It's designed for hardwood and low-pile carpets, so it really fits the needs of most households. Honestly, the 10,000+ units sold this past month show it's finding a solid place in many homes. Now, some people complained about it being a bit noisy during operation. Here's the thing though, if you're looking for a vacuum that can handle pet hair and keep your floors spotless, that slight noise might not be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you want an affordable, reliable option that handles both vacuuming and mopping. Skip this one if you need something ultra quiet or have high pile carpets. For the price, it offers great value. Now, if Ropvacnic's noise issue bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach.
Product number 2, Shark Matrix Clean. Priced at $418. This vacuum grabs your attention with its sleek design and self-emptying base. If you want a top-tier vacuum specifically designed for pet owners, this one might be right up your alley. What's really impressive is the Matrix Clean technology, which uses a grid pattern to ensure it covers every corner of your home. It's powerful enough to capture dirt and pet hair across carpets and hard floors, making it ideal for homes with furry friends. With LiDAR navigation, it adapts to your space quickly and efficiently, avoiding obstacles while mapping out where it's been. Plus, the self-emptying feature means you won't have to deal with disposal bags for up to 60 days. That's a game changer for busy households. However, some users mention the setup can be a bit complicated. But honestly, once you get the hang of it, that hassle fades, especially when you see how well it cleans. This is perfect for you if you have pets and want a vacuum that does the heavy lifting. Skip this one if you're looking for something more budget-friendly. It's a solid investment for what you get. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for specific cleaning needs.
Product number 3, iRobot Roomba 105X. The iRobot Roomba 105X comes in at $249 and is making waves for its smart technology. If you're after a dependable vacuum that knows how to clean efficiently, this one is a serious contender. What sets this apart is its ClearView LiDAR mapping, which allows it to navigate your home quickly and precisely, ensuring no room goes uncleaned. With 70x powerlifting suction, it tackles dirt, crumbs, and pet hair effortlessly. The custom room cleaning feature lets you focus on high-traffic areas, which is perfect for those mess-prone spots in your home. Plus, it automatically recharges and resumes its cleaning, so you don't have to worry about interruptions. That's some next-level convenience. However, some users noted that it can occasionally miss small debris in corners. But I'll be real with you, for the price and efficiency, it's a minor issue when considering how well it performs overall. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable robot that adapts to your cleaning needs. Skip this one if you require something with advanced features like self-emptying. For the cost, it's a great deal for anyone looking to simplify their cleaning routine. Now, if you need something with a bit more power, let's check out the next vacuum.
Product number 4, Shark AV2501S AI Ultra. We have the Shark AV2501S AI Ultra, priced at $446. This robot vacuum is built with a precise cleaning strategy in mind. If you want something that practically cleans itself, stay tuned. The Matrix Clean navigation helps it cover every inch of your home, making multiple passes over dirt and ensuring a deep clean. Plus, it boasts a self-emptying base that holds up to 30 days worth of debris. Imagine not having to deal with dust and dirt for a month. And with its HEPA filtration, it traps particles down to 0.3 microns, making it a great choice for allergy sufferers. Some users did mention that it can be a bit heavy if you need to lift it. But let's be real, once it's set up, you won't need to touch it much at all, which is what makes it so convenient. This is perfect for you if high-quality filtration is a must in your home. Skip this one if you need something lightweight for easy transport. It gives you a lot for what you pay. Now, if you want the best of the best, check out the next product.
Product number 5, Ecovacs Dbot T90 Pro Omni, the luxury choice at $899.99. If you want the ultimate cleaning experience with cutting-edge technology, this is it. This vacuum boasts a staggering 30,000 PA of suction power, meaning it can tackle the toughest messes in one pass. The Osmo Roller Mop scrubs rather than just wipes, ensuring sticky spills are cleaned effectively. Plus, with its self-cleaning feature, you'll always have a mop that's ready to go without dirtying your floors again. Its True Edge technology ensures it reaches every corner, which is a game changer for thorough cleaning. However, the price is definitely a drawback for some, but if you're serious about cleanliness and want the most advanced features, this investment pays off in the long run. This is perfect for you if you have a large home and want a no-hassle cleaning solution. Skip this one if your budget is tight, but it's definitely worth considering if you want the best.
So there you have it. Whether you're looking for budget-friendly options like the ROP Vacnic S1 or the luxury experience of the Ecovacs Dbot T90 Pro Omni, there's something for everyone on this list. Each vacuum brings unique features to the table, so think about your specific needs and which one resonates with you. Happy cleaning!